The easiest and fastest way to earn passive income is digital product. I'm speaking from experience. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 digital products you can start creating today after watching this video that will help you start earning income in few weeks. Now, these products are easy to make, they sell really fast, and you can create them with your phone. I'm going to show you everything you need to know and do right in this video. If you stick with me to the end of this video, I'm going to show you a secret app you will use to create these digital products, plus 2 secret websites where you are going to sell these products. You see, the world has gone digital. So people sit down in their house and create digital products out of their knowledge, and then go on to get people from different parts of the world, pay them to access this knowledge in a digital format. One amazing thing about digital product is that you create it once, you sell it over and again, you don't run out of stock. Now, if you don't have a digital product yet, now it's time to jump on this because it's one of the sweetest way of earning money. Anyone that has a valuable information on what people are looking to learn is a potential millionaire. Yes, darling, you are a potential millionaire. You only need to learn how to package this information you have right now so you'll be able to sell it over and again to so many people who are looking to learn and they are willing to pay you. So you know how to cook, you know how to get children to sleep extra hour, you know how to help students prepare for exams, you know how to help singles find the right partners. Whatever it is you know how to do, you got a knowledge that people are looking for. So the next move would be to learn how to package this valuable information and sell it to the hungry audience. Before I show you these 3 digital products, there's one important thing you need to pay attention to. This is something that will guarantee you make a lot of sales once you create your digital products, and that's your audience. Yes, your audience matters a lot because they are the one that will buy this product when you produce them. So you need to know who they are, what they want, the format they love to have these products. So you'll be able to pick the right digital product that appeals to them. So here are the 3 digital products. The first one is ebook. Honestly, I think ebook is the best thing that happened to our generation. This is something you do a quick research, you write the book, publish it. In the next 10-20 years to come, a book you wrote today will continue to generate income for you, in addition to helping you build authority around that topic. Ebook is easy to make, it's inexpensive. Actually, it is free to create an ebook. You price it any amount you deem fit. And you sell it endlessly. I mean, you never run out of stock. Now, let's get practical. How do you create an ebook? Simple. You pick a topic you want to write on. You do a quick research. By quick research, I mean you head over to Google and type whatever the topic is. You are going to see loads of valuable information that will help you update your knowledge on the topic. You write the draft of your book. The next is to write the book. And that brings us to the secret app that will help you write your book. The app is author.ai. With Author, you don't have to type a word. All you need is download the app, install it, turn it on and speak your book. I mean, read your book. This app will write the book for you. So in case you don't like typing, you don't have to type anymore because this app will do the typing for you. Once you're done with that, just go on and correct the mistake. Go through the draft, go on Google Doc and paste it. The book is ready. The next step is to create your book cover. How do you do that? Head over to Canva and type book cover and you are going to see all of these. Scroll down here and select the template that you want. Edit it by changing colors, changing images, putting your name and the title of the book, and your book cover is ready. The next is to convert this book cover to a 3D mock-up. So you head over to adesin.com, and this is Adesin and it's going to give you the exact result you want. Go on and select the design you want and convert it. The amazing thing is that all of these steps are absolutely free. You can do them with free plan. And with this, the book is ready. Put them together, convert it to a PDF document and save it in Google Drive. And the next step would be to start making sales. Stay with me to the end and I'm going to show you 2 platforms where you are going to upload this book and get people pay you for your digital product. The second digital product that will make you a lot of money in few weeks is templates. I love templates. So templates are pre-designed files or documents that serve as guide for people. These templates can be edited to reproduce the required result. This is one of my favorites and you can create them absolutely free with Canva. So we head over to Canva and type templates. Templates could be IG templates, website templates, or anything you can think of. Just create a prototype and you go out there to sell it to your target audience who will pay you to download this document and then go on to edit it to their taste. So over here on Canva, you can see a lot of templates. Just go on and select the one you want. then edit it to your taste. Make sure to make it appealing enough for people to desire it and pay you for that. Now, one of the templates that sells very well is Instagram template. So you can actually create it here and go out there to sell it to your target audience. The next digital product is courses. Courses deliver trainings in audio or video formats. As a course creator, you basically record yourself teaching that favorite topic of yours. Just like this video I'm creating right now, I can turn it into a course and then I get people to pay me to access it. So creating the course simply means talk about the topic, explain it, and in most cases, you demonstrate using images and video clips. Now, how do you create the course? Your phone camera or your computer webcam. You record yourself teaching the topic. After you finish recording, you edit the video, cutting out the mistakes and the flaws contained in the video. Once the course is ready, you can host it on YouTube, on Seller, and many other hosting platforms where you can sell it. Now, once you're done with this, the next would be to start promoting it and making money selling your knowledge. These things are simple and you can do it following the steps I just outlined. Now, here comes the bonus you've been waiting for. Where to sell these products. I'm going to show you 3: Gumroad, Payhip, and Seller. These platforms will help you get a lot of customers if you learn to promote your business. However, you need to do some research on how to make sales to be able to attract your target audience, get them to pay you to access the knowledge you share in these products. One last thing, if you are struggling with identifying what you are good at, something you can create digital products on, I want to gift you my ebook on how to discover your talent. This book will help you a lot in identifying what you are good at. To get this free ebook, send me an email. Check the description of this video for the email address. If you get value from this, do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up and also remember to subscribe if you've not. See you in my next video.